Good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing? It's Maida, Mrs. Gordon. We'll talk about that. But anyway, I'm home. It is April 26th, going on 27th. It's in the evening. I'm up late sewing. I love to sew, my favorite thing. I am working on a wedding party. Digital alterations and the bridesmaid. Maid of honor, bridesmaids dresses. This is for a different wedding. This is the wedding dress. And you swing around there. One more bridesmaid's dress. Yeah. So I'm late on that. And it's been a while since I made a video. I've been to Jamaica. Lots of things transpired while I was there. Some good things, some bad things, some devastating things, but we'll talk about that in a future YouTube video. But I will be going back. Lucky, blessed me, we'll get to go back. Hold your breath. No, don't hold your breath. Let it out. July 19th. I'm going to see Buju. Woo, again. And then I'll be there for 3 glorious months. I'm going to file for my citizenship, look around for some properties, learn the place, figure out what type of business I want to do, continue to do my videos, and see what happens. I'm destined to stay there permanently, and I pray after this 3 months I'll be able to do that. I thought I was working on a 2.5-year plan trying to get there, but God speeded it up just a little bit by 2.5 years. So I'm working on some stuff. I'm still sewing. I'm going to take all my stuff with me because I'm going to continue to sew. That's what I love to do. That's my passion. That's my personal love. That's what makes my heart beat. Yeah, so I'm going to sign off. Love, and more love. Remember, there's always time for love. When you see somebody in the store, when you're walking down the street, you're at the gym or something, stop, take the time. I know you want to go, I'm tired, I feel like talking to this person. Do it. You never know what that other person is thinking or going through. If you just say, hey, girl, I only got a minute, but you know what? I saw you. I just want to say I love you, hug you, and keep moving. That does a world of good. Okay, so I'm going to finish and iron the bottom of this hem real quick so I can take me a break. Because the bride and her bridesmaids will be here in the a.m. to pick up everything. I'm so excited. I love doing this. And then I got somebody coming Sunday or Monday to get a vest and a tie done for prom. So I'll be showing some more of my stuff as I learn to do my videos. I'm still reading my book, YouTube, learning how to do this. So in the meantime, in between time, just like me writing my books, when I get a minute, I write. When I get some time, I do my videos. So 85 days before I'm going back to Jamaica. I cannot wait. I will be there for 3 months. Oh my God. I hope it is the slowest time of my life. I pray each day takes forever to pass. Oh my goodness. I'll be working. I'll be living. Yeah, it's going to be nice. Those are going to be some really nice videos. I got 2 new cameras so that I can, when I go to the water and stuff, I can get some really, really good footage. Yeah, those little cameras that you put on you can hook up to anything. I forgot what they're called at the moment, but we'll soon find out. Okay, another one's finished. Hang that one up. Okay. Two more to go. Okay, I'm out. See my America. Forever my president. Barack, love you. 2 terms. My man. Hey Michelle, got your book. I'm buying another one. It's almost selling out like the Bible, girl. What you done wrote? All right, everybody have a wonderful night. Love you. God loves you. Everything's Irie.